Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change icon shape into a Motorola Edge 30 Pro. First of all, open your Play Store and find X icon changer application, this one. If you don't have this application, so downloading and installing, I'm already installed this, so click open. Now close ads, and now from the list choose your application, maybe Sky, this one. Okay, so choose your application, and now from the library choose your new icon, maybe like Android, will be nice. Then in the top right corner we got OK button, press it and wait a second for
Dołącz teraz, aby otrzymać kupon na pierwsze zakupy. Zdobądź darmowy kupon na 15.
Wait a second for generating new icon and close ads. And one more time. And now when you see this message, so click add to home and go our home screen, and how you can see we add new icon of Sky game. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.